Ever feel like the YouTube algorithm knows you a little too well? It's not just in your head. By default, Google keeps a detailed log of every video you click, search for, or hover over, even if you clear your history in the YouTube app itself. It's mostly used for ad targeting, but if you'd rather keep your viewing habits to yourself, you can turn it off in about 30 seconds. Here is the no-nonsense way to stop the tracking, which is essential to protect your privacy and control your data and wipe the slate clean. Phase 1. Stop the tracking. First, let's easily take control and tell Google to stop tracking what you watch from now on, so you feel more in charge of your privacy. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Google. Hit the button that says Manage your Google account. Tap on the tab labeled Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the History Settings section and select YouTube History. You'll see a toggle switch. Turn it off. Boom, the recording has stopped. Phase 2. Delete the past. Now that the tracking is off, you can quickly and simply delete the old data they've already collected, giving you peace of mind. Stay on that same page or go back to data and privacy greater than YouTube history if you closed it. Tap on Manage History. You'll see a list of everything you've ever watched. Tap the Delete drop-down menu. Select Delete All Time. You're all set. Your YouTube viewing is now more private, and your recommendations might feel a little more fresh and relevant since they aren't based on that one weird video you clicked 5 years ago, helping you enjoy a better experience. Next up, check out our guide on the top 10 programs putting your PC at risk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in.